In this video, I will show you how to quickly sort and select files and folders in Windows 11. Let's get started. We're going to start off by opening the search menu. Just type in File Explorer. Then go ahead and open that up. Now I'm going to open up a random folder here. Now I'm just looking for a folder that has many files under it. Let's say, for example, this one. Now you can click on the blank right side of the area. I'm going to select Group By, and now you can sort by different areas. For example, by name. Now let's go by name here. When you click it, it will go alphabetical, as you can see here. You can also go ahead, click Group By again, and select Date Modified. You can see the oldest files or the newest files. You can also click on Group By again and sort by type. Sort by different file extensions here alphabetically, as you can see. And now we can go ahead and choose Sort by Size. As you can see, it's sorted by unspecified, medium, and small size. You can also change the ascending or descending order just by going to Group By and selecting descending or ascending order. There are also additional settings. If you click on More, you can search by different areas and different options, as you can see here. You can check them and you can remove them as you like. This is an easy, straightforward process. As always, thank you for watching.